Hi, I'm Rajit Patel. I'm the Senior Project Engineer looking after the Guildford and Railway bridges. In total, there will be 4 bridges that will provide 4 additional lanes on the east side and an additional lane in a dedicated shared path on the west. On the 8th and 11th of October, we'll be installing bridge beams for one of the Railway Parade bridges. This will be a significant milestone for the project and will help eliminate the infamous bottleneck we have on Tonkin Highway. To prepare for the beam installation, from the 20th of September till the 18th of October, we'll be shutting Railway Parade in both directions. This will allow us to install 18 bridge beams from Railway Parade. This will assist us in assembling and disassembling the crane from Railway Parade. We will not be closing Tonkin Highway completely, however there will be some form of traffic changes between Guildford Road and Collier Road. We will also need to close the Midland line. You can find further information through the Transperth website. The bridge beams are 35 metres long and will weigh up to 135 tonnes each. This is the reason why we'll need to close Railway Parade ahead of time. I love the team, I love the people that you get to work with, and I love the fact that you're working for one of the major infrastructure projects in Perth at the moment.